Hey guys, we're back in the chop shop and today we've got something pretty cool happening, and it's as simple as me pulling apart an RB26. Might not look like one right there, but this was the engine I just had sitting around. I picked it up really cheap back in, like 2014 or 15. Most of the parts from it went on the RBM3, like the covers and stuff like that. And I pulled the crank out for the Somvia, because that's when I was building that really good engine for the Somvia, which still may be happening. Not 100% sure just yet. But for now, we need to see what the block is like on this one, because we've got something cool happening. So today I'm just going to strip this engine down, obviously take the head off of it and see what the block is like and if it's still got the standard bore. So here we go. Before I get too carried away, I just want to show you guys how simple this job's going to be for me, seeing everything's already done basically. Like, I pulled most of this engine apart like ages ago. Obviously made it top dead center, so you can actually get access to the head bolts, which are in those dark holes there. You can't see them. Oh, you can see that one there. So anyway, I'll do them all off evenly. So then you got these little 10 mils on either end. There's meant to be one there, but there's not, so we'll take that out as well. And on 25s there's one at the front, I was pretty sure. No, they're both at the back. Okay, so take them off. So take those 10 mils off, all the head bolts out, heads off. That's that simple, really. So this isn't really a tutorial on how to pull the 26 down, but we're gonna see underneath there in about 5 seconds. Don't forget these washers. Make sure you get them out with a magnet or whatever, but don't ever forget them, guys. Okay, so now all the head studs are out. Please make sure that you account for all of them. There should be 14. And obviously 14 washers as well. If you don't have all of them, go back to your engine and find them. Make sure you have everything accounted for before you go any further. Okay, now I've got to do the back bolt. It's just a little 10 mil here. Oh no, thought it was loose. Take that off, then the head comes off. So we'll go to Jake's really good toolbox. 10 mil. Then we'll go to Jake's really good spare engine here, undo the 10 mil bolt, pull the head off, and it'll be a bone stock RB26 standard bore, standard piston engine. Please. Really should have got a ratchet spanner for this, eh? If I friggin' had one. Oh no, it's a 12 mil I'm missing. I really need to get better tools. It's something I've never done. I've literally worked out of that little blue box for years and years and years. Before that, I just had like the rollout packs, like that gear wrench setup up there, but they weren't ratchet spanners. It's crazy. I've had like minimal tools for so long. But yeah, this toolbox here is obviously not mine. That's Chop's, or Big House, one of them. So I don't really, I don't use their tools. But what I do suggest is getting a decent toolkit. I'm gonna look into doing it this year. I'll try and get some funds together to get a good toolbox, I think. Because it just cuts down time. Like, I would have done this by, jeez, long time ago now. I'm still going. Gee, I'll never learn. Oh, we're done. It didn't take long at all. Okay, so we only have one of those bolts in. Now I'm gonna have to drop you guys the camera so I can get the head off. I think I found the front bolt. Okay, we got to do one more bolt. I thought there was one on the front. He was hiding behind this little tape. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one holds the head down as well. So just bear with me for a couple of days, guys, while I just get this off. Yeah, that one. So I was right, there was a front bolt, I just didn't see it. Okay, now we can take the freaking thing off. Oh. I think we're good, guys. I think we're good. A lot of carbon in these. So guess what? It's a virgin. You freaking ripper. Yeah, needs a good clean up, but it's a virgin block, so that's good. That's good. The head actually looks really good. There's like no signs of anything too major there. Bit of corrosion just from water, but yeah. All looks pretty good. May have had a small head gasket issue on the back, but yeah, I'm not complaining for what I paid for this. I think I paid $2 for this engine like a long time ago. So it's pretty good, and it was complete. Like I had everything but the turbos, I think. So, okay, so now that we've obviously taken the head off, what I'm gonna do is clean everything up. I need to get the pistons out, everything off the engine, and pull it down to a bare block. You guys are probably wondering why I'm doing this, and I'll tell you at the end. Tell you most of it anyway. So now all the bolts are obviously off. Just give water pump a little bit of encouragement. Boom. She comes straight off. Wow, that's really corroded. It's got no fins left. Look at that. That's why you should always change your water pump, people. Look at that. All the fins are gone. Jeez, I've never seen that. Wow. That's bin. Oil pump. Be a little bit more careful with that one because it's on dowels. Yeah, I'm not using that. So that's all the front off now. Oh, and as you can see, there's no crank. So my job of getting everything out of it, which is the pistons, is very, very simple. You got to push the pistons obviously at the top because the oil squirters will hit otherwise. Cool. So that's pretty much the engine stripped, not even joking. Obviously got to get all the little things off, but I'm not going to bore you and show you all that. I'll leave the rear main seal cover in. Obviously, yeah, leave the girdle in and all that. Okay, now that the engine is actually stripped, I suppose I should give you a rundown on what's actually happening. Now I've got to be honest, I can't tell you everything just yet, but I am sending this block to PowerTune. It is going to be built by them, but all I can say for now, the people involved in this engine, PPM Australia and PowerTune Australia, and I cannot wait to give you more information about everything that's coming up. So that's a wrap for today, guys. Can't thank you enough for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys again soon. Alright, see ya.